Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial of PrestaShop Delivery Time Slot module. In this video, I'll explain you the process to configure the module and I'll also show you the whole workflow of the module so that you can get to know how to effectively use this module on your shop. So let's just go to the PrestaShop back office where I have already installed this module, as you can see. So let's just go to the configuration page now. As you can see, the configuration page contains very few options. So I'll just explain you the significance of each option one by one. The first is time slot. In case if you enable this option, then your customer would only be able to choose a preferable time slot for the delivery of their order. Then you also need to specify the minimum time gap that a customer needs to choose while setting a time slot at the checkout page, that is a preferable delivery time at the checkout page. I'll just show you how this functionality works. Let's just go to the front end. As you can see, this is the cart page, so let's just proceed further. Here under the shipping method section, you can see that this new section is now added by the module, that to choose the preferred delivery time. Now while choosing the preferred delivery time or the delivery time slot, as per the configuration, a customer must choose the time gap of 30 minutes or more. But let's just see what happens when we select the time gap less than 30 minutes. In case if a customer tries to choose a time gap less than 15 minutes or 30 minutes as per the configuration, this error message will show to them. And in case if they choose a time gap of more than 30 minutes, then it will be saved successfully and order will be placed. Let's just place the order and see how this information displays to the admin on the back end. It might just take some time to confirm the order, so we will wait until then. As you can see that the order is now confirmed. So let's just go to the back order section. Under the order section, you will find that this new section, preferred delivery time slot, and the preferred time slot selected by the customer and the details of the preferred time slot would be also available at the order page, so that a customer gets the order at the preferred delivery time slot and an admin can also act accordingly to fulfill the order at the preferred time slot. Now let's just go to the configuration page again, where I will just show you that how this day and date slot works. Let's just disable this time slot for now and choose to enable the day slot. As you can see, on enabling the day slot, the date slot automatically gets disabled. This is because the functionality works in the same way. In case if you are providing the option to choose the day, then what's the purpose of also allowing the option to choose the date? So on enabling the day slot option, date slot option gets disabled. Now let's just try to go to the checkout page again and see what options are available to the customer on providing the day slot option. As you can see here, now all the days in a week are mentioned here. In case if a customer chooses to place the order by saving the details, the same details will also be available at the admin end, that a customer needs this product on Tuesday. So let's just try to place the order by saving that details and see how this day slot detail is available at the admin's end. It might just take some time to confirm the order. we will have to wait until the order confirms. As you can see that the order is now confirmed again, so we will just go to the order section, and now at the end of the page you can now see that the preferred delivery day slot chosen by the customer, that is Tuesday, is now available at the admin's end too. Now there is another option too of date slot, and on enabling the date slot you must also specify the minimum time lead. This functionality works in the same way as the time slot. In case if we select enter the number 2, then the minimum time lead would be considered as 2 days. So let's just save the details and see how this brings change on the checkout page again. We will need to add some product to the cart. Now on proceeding to checkout, as you can see again this option is available here. Now customer needs to choose a preferred date on which he wants the delivery of this order. So on saving the details, now customer can choose to place the order, and the same selected details of the date would also be available at the admin end, as I have already shown you in the case of day slot and the time slot. The details would be available in the same way, and rest of the functionality of ordering the product would be same. So this was all about the PrestaShop delivery time slot module. Using this module you can easily allow your customers to choose a preferred delivery time slot or date slot, so that you can fulfill their orders accordingly on the time, and your customers would get a better user experience on your shop. I hope this video helps you to configure and use this module in the best possible way. Thank you.